Hello my dear students, welcome to Government PU College, Hulahunur. I am your English lecturer. My name is Peter C. Sarao. Welcome to study English in first PUC. In the first year, you have two books. The first one is course book. The name of the course book is Reflections. The second book is workbook. The name of the workbook is Articulations. Course book in ಹೆಸರು Reflections ಅಂತ. ಎರಡನೇ ಪುಸ್ತಕದ ಹೆಸರು ವರ್ಕ್ಬುಕ್, ಅದರ ಹೆಸರು Articulations ಅಂತ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ PUCಗೆ ಎರಡು ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಎರಡೂ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕೊಂಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. course book ಮತ್ತು workbook. Now in the course book there are 13 units, 7 lessons and 6 poems. 13 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ, 7 ಪಾಠಗಳು, 6 ಪದ್ಯಗಳು. The first one is The Gentleman of the Jungle. It's a story written by Jomo Kenyatta. Second unit is The Schoolboy. It's a poem written by William Blake. The third unit is Around a Medicinal Creeper, written by Purnachandra Tejasvi. Fourth unit is Orumanushan. It's again a story written by Vaikom Muhammad Bashir. Fifth unit is Money Madness. It's a poem written by D.H. Lawrence. Sixth unit is Babar Ali. It is written by Samarpita Mukherjee Sharma. Seventh unit is a poem, If I Was a Tree, written by Mudnakodu Chinnaswamy. Eighth unit is Watchman of the Lake. It's a play, Nataka, written by R.K. Narayan. Ninth unit is The Farmer's Wife. It's a poem written by P. Lalita Kumari. Her pen name is Olga. Pen name andre Kavyanama. P. Lalita Kumari avara Kavyanama Olga. 10th unit is Frederick Douglass. It is an excerpt from his autobiography. Frederick Douglass himself has written this. 11th unit is An Old Woman. It's a poem written by Arun Kolatkar. 12th unit is Two Gentlemen of Verona, written by A.J. Cronin. And the last unit, 13th unit is Do Not Ask of Me, My Love, written by Faiz Ahmad Faiz. So the course book Reflections has got 13 units. My dear students, we do not know how many units will be there for you this year, but still this is the broad outlook of Reflections. Reflections ಪುಸ್ತಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು 13 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸು, 7 ಪಾಠಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ, 6 ಪದ್ಯಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಎಷ್ಟು ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಅಂತ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. In the workbook, the name of the workbook, as I have told you, it is Articulations. There are 5 units in this. Unit A consists of articles, prepositions, verbs, subject-verb agreement, word order. You might have already studied in your previous classes about articles a, an and the, and also the other parts of speech. You remember how many parts of speech are there? There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition and interjection. 8 parts of speech. So out of that, you are going to learn about prepositions and also about verbs, subject-verb agreement, word order, error identification and question forms. This unit carries 19 marks in your question paper. Unit B consists of passages, unseen passage. In your examination in the question paper, you will be getting a passage, unseen passage, and for that 10 questions will be asked. You have to read the passage and answer the questions. As a preparation, here in this workbook, you are given different passages. Short passages are there, medium passages are there, and the long passages are there. So the passage consists of 10 marks in your question paper. Unit C has got a reference skill. In your question paper you get 4 marks from this. Unit D, it's on letter writing, which carries 5 marks. This year in first year POC, you are going to learn 5 types of letters. You have already learnt in your previous classes how to write a leave letter. Of course, you know the types of letters, formal and informal. And there you have already learned leave letter, and again here you will be having a leave letter, seeking information letter, giving information letter, complaint letter. Like this you will be having letter writing, so you get 5 marks. Unit E has got language function. You see that you get 12 marks for this unit. In the language function, you learn how to write a dialogue, how to complete the dialogue, how to create a dialogue. So this is the workbook articulations this year you are going to learn. Once again, in the workbook articulations unit A, I have already told you I am going to study about articles, prepositions, verbs, subject-verb agreement, word order, correction of sentences, that is error identification, and question forms. Okay, this is unit A. Unit B, reading skills. So it is helpful for unseen passages given in the question paper. Unit C has got exercise on reference skills, dictionary use, sources of information, interpretation of advertisements and schedules. Unit D, this has got exercises on writing skills, especially letter writing. I have already told you, leave letter, application for TC and marks card, seeking information letter, giving information letter, complaint letter, letter to the editor. And also you are going to learn how to send an email writing. My dear students, ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಾನು ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಗ್ರೂಪನ್ನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನನ್ನು ನಾನು ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೆ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಮೇಲ್ ಐ ಡಿಯನ್ನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಗೂಗಲ್ ಮೀಟನ್ನು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಗೂಗಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮನ್ನು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. All the information will be sent through WhatsApp and classes will be conducted through Google Meet and notes will be sent through Google Classroom. For this, you need to have your own email ID. Once you have the email ID, you can write a letter, you can send emails, and we are going to teach you how to write an email. So this is Unit D, my dear students. And the last unit is Unit E. There you learn speaking skills, language functions. This is very important. You get 12 marks from this. So in total, remember this year you have got 2 books, course book and workbook. So once again, I welcome you all to study English in first year PUC Government View College.